Lets the crust release its steam so it doesn't get all puffy. If you don't, it'll puff up in the middle and you won't have an even pie crust. So what we have here is a docked pie crust. So we've poked holes in the bottom so as it bakes, the water vapor, the steam can escape out and it'll prevent the bottom of this crust from puffing up, and you'll now have an even flat surface as you put your food in there. So we'll go to the oven next to par bake it, to half bake it. We'll put our quiche inside and then we'll finish baking it off.
Two cups of milk. I want to put about 4 ounces of the heavy cream. One. Another one.
Thank you. Because I was about to.
Color that you want to pre-bake your pie crust. You want it like a light tan, a sandy color, and then you're going to start layering your ingredients for your quiche.
I mean, a quiche Lorraine, all you want is your bacon and your cheese, and that's it. Your nutmeg.
Thank you.
Use for a soup.
Cheese. Next step is cheese.
Just like, oh, it's like 2 cups, it's right here. 2 cups, it's 2 cups, it's right here.
Can you pour me some
Cheese.
I really need to learn like
Don't overfill.
There's more than
Don't,
that.
that's it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna give it just a little jiggle. And what you're looking for again is that kind of jello mold jiggle. So if you shake them, this one is pretty loose. This one is pretty firm. That one's good. I already did the last one. Remember, when you pull things out of the oven, just like when you bake cookies, when you bake breads, when you bake cakes, they need to be a little underdone because this is still going to cook for about 15 minutes. It's called carryover. And every time you pull something out of the oven or turn a fire off, there's still heat in that item, and that's the carryover heat. So you always have to calculate that extra few degrees, that extra 15 minutes of cooking for it to finally cool off. And you want to kind of gently coast that final point. These will be probably just right. Don't drop them in the cooler just yet. If you do, you're going to blow out your freezer motor or your refrigerator motor because it's too much heat for the refrigerators to handle. Let them cool naturally for about an hour, and then you can pop them in the coolers to rapidly cool them. Quiche can be served hot or cold. It's fine either way. But what we'll probably find is that these two are going to have a nice creamy center. These will taste fine, but they'll be more like a scrambled egg texture in the middle. And a little bit dry. But they're already firming up. Like as they're sitting, they're starting to firm up a bit more. Like the jiggles less. And at 12:40, they'll be set. Feel the bottom. If it's too hot to hold, then you shouldn't be cutting it yet. So this it's still warm, but I can hold it in my hand without like burning myself.
Please.
Feels good. Nice. Now if you look on here, I'm going to try to hold it. You can see how the creaminess in the top part, that's the texture you're looking for. So again, it's nice and creamy like a nice soft custard.